So today we will learn about the Viceroys of India. If you have not watched the last video, please go and watch up to Lord Canning. Lord Canning was the last Governor General of India and the first Viceroy of India. Okay, so Viceroys. First is Lord Canning. Lord Canning. Lord Canning was the first. Lord Canning was the first Viceroy. First Viceroy. What happened in his period? Transfer of power from company to crown. Okay, and Indian Council Act. Okay, Indian Council Act. Now we will go learn about the second Viceroy of India. Okay, sorry. His time period was 1858 to 62, and next is Lord Elgin. Lord Elgin from 1862 to 63. Okay, in his period there was Wahhabi movement. Okay, Wahhabi movement. And third Viceroy is Lord John Lawrence. 1864 to 69. Okay. In his period, you can see. Okay, yes, you can see. Setting up of the High Court. High courts were set up at Calcutta. Okay. Bombay, Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras. Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras. All three were set up on a date called 1865. And Bhutan War happened in the same year. Okay, 1865. So we have learned about Lord Canning. He is the first Viceroy of India and the last Governor General of India. And in his time period, transfer of power from company to crown happened, and Indian Council Act came in his time period, which is 1861. Okay, and then next second Viceroy is Lord Elgin. 1862-63. One important thing happened: Wahhabi movement in 1862 and 63, and Lord John Lawrence in 1864 and 69. So Lord John Lawrence is the third Viceroy, and in his time period there was high courts were set up. So we have learned about three Viceroys. We were studying Viceroys and events during their term. Okay. So now fourth Viceroy. It is in sequence. Okay. Fourth Viceroy is Lord Mayo. His time period is from 1869 to 72. Lord Mayo. Okay. Opening of in his period, what happened? Opening of the Rajkot College in Kathiawar. Rajkot College established. Okay, and Rajkot and the Mayo College in his name only. Okay, Mayo College at Ajmer. Rajkot College and Mayo College at Ajmer. And one more important thing happened: statistical survey of India. Statistical survey of India also established. Okay. Now next governor is Lord Northbrook, 1872 to 76. In his time period, there was visit of Prince of Wales in 1875. Kukam Lolan, Kuka movement in Punjab. Okay. So Lord Mayo, time period 1869 to 72. In his period, Rajkot College established, and Mayo College, Ajmer, okay, and Statistical Survey of India also established. And next is Lord Northbrook, 1870 to 76. In his time period, there were the visit of Prince of Wales in 1875. Kuka movement happened in his time period only. Lipin, 1876 to 80. Okay. So famine happened during his period. Famine from 1876 to 78. Famine happened, so there is a appointment of famine commission. Famine commission under the presidency of Richard Starche of 1878 in 1878. Okay, then his Royal Title Act came in 1876, and by this act, Queen Victoria, assuming the title of Kesare Hind. Okay, Kesare Hind. Queen Victoria assuming the title of Kesare Hind. Get the title of Kesare Hind. Okay, and next is Vernacular Press Act. The Vernacular Press Act 1878 and the 1878, sorry, Vernacular Press Act 1878 and the Arms Act in the same year. The Arms Act, okay, 1878. And next is big thing happened, the second Afghan War. The second Afghan War happened during his term in 1878 to 80. So Lord Lytton, he is in the 6th in term of Viceroys of India. Okay, and next his time period is 1876 to 80, and in his time period there were the famine 1876 to 78, and famine commission established, whose president is Richard Starche, and Royal Title Act in 1876. Okay, Queen Victoria Kesare Hind, assuming the title of Kesare Hind, Queen Victoria, and the Vernacular Press Act 1878, the Arms Act 1878. Lord Lansdowne from 1894 to 1888 to 94. Lansdowne. Indian Council Act of 1892. Indian Council Act of 1892 and setting up of Durand Commission of 1893. Okay, 9th. And next is 10th one is Lord Elgin II. From 1884 to 94 to 99. Okay, 94 to 99. So one thing happened. Two British officers assassinated by Chapekar brothers. Okay, from 1897. Okay, so we have learned about Lord Lansdowne from 1888 to 94, and in his time period there is Indian Council Act of 1892 and setting off of Durand Commission 1893. Royal Commission 1893 in the time period of Lord Lansdowne. Okay, and second is Lord Elgin II from 1894 to 99. There 2 British officers were killed or assassinated. Lord Curzon from 1899 to 1905. Okay. 1905. Police Commission. Police Commission was set up under the Sir Andrew Fraser. Sir Andrew Fraser. Okay, Police Commission in 1902. Okay, University 1902. Indian Universities Act. Indian Universities Act 1902. No, sorry, 1904. And Partition of Bengal. Partition of Bengal 1905. And Fraser to review police administration. Okay, so Lord Curzon from 1899 to 1905. Police Commission was set up under the presidency of Andrew Fraser in 1902. Okay, Universities Commission came in 1902. Indian University Act then came in 1904 after 2 years. And the partition of Bengal happened in 1905. Viceroy Lord Minto II, 1905 to 10. Okay, so Swadeshi movement. Swadeshi movement happened in his time period. Split of Congress happened in 1907. Okay, in Surat. Okay, Muslim League established. Muslim League established by Aga Khan in 1906. Okay, so Lord Minto II. So this movement happened in his time period. Split of Congress in Surat in 1907 and Muslim League established by Aga Khan in 1906. Viceroy Lord Minto II, 1905 to 10. Okay, so Swadeshi movement. Swadeshi movement happened in his time period. Split of Congress happened in 1907. Okay, in Surat. Okay, Muslim League established by Aga Khan in 1906. Okay, so Lord Minto II. So this movement happened in his time period. Split of Congress in Surat in 1907 and Muslim League established by Aga Khan in 1906. Okay. 13 Viceroy is Lord Hardinge II. Lord Hardinge II from 1910 to 16. Okay. So in his period, creation of Bengal Presidency. Okay, Bengal Presidency in 1911. Transfer of capital from Calcutta to Delhi in 1911. Hindu Mahasabha established in 1915 by Madan Mohan Malviya. Hindu Mahasabha Madan Mohan Malviya and Delhi Darbar in 1911 for George King George V. Okay, so Lord Hardinge from 1910 to 1916 and creation of Bengal Presidency in 1911. बंगाल प्रेसिडेंसी को बनाया गया. Okay, transfer of capital from Calcutta to Delhi. So there was a capital Calcutta. Then in 1911 it transferred to Delhi. Hindu Mahasabha also in 1915 established by Madan Mohan Malviya. And Delhi Darbar in 1911. King George V, for the King George V, Delhi Darbar happened. Okay. Next viceroy is Lord Chelmsford. Lord Chelmsford from 1916 to 21. Home Rule League established formed by Annie Besant and Tilak, Bal Gangadhar Tilak in 1960. Okay, Lucknow Pact happened in 1916. Foundation of Sabarmati Ashram. Okay. चंपारण सत्याग्रह in 1916. Okay. Kheda Satyagraha. After this is Kheda Satyagraha in 1916 and Ahmedabad Satyagraha in 1918. Okay. Sorry. Kheda is also in 1918, but Champaran is in 1916 and Kheda is 1918. Ahmedabad is Satyagraha is 1918. Okay. And Montague August Declaration also happened. Montague August Declaration in 1917 came. Okay. The Rowlatt Act and Jallianwala Bagh. Rowlatt Act in 1918 and Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened in 1980 on same year. Okay. So we were learning about Lord Chelmsford. Lord Chelmsford was from 1916 to 1921. In his time period, Home Rule League established by Annie Besant and Tilak on same year 1916. Lucknow Pact happened in 1916. Formation of Sabarmati Ashram 1916 and Champaran Satyagraha 1916. Kheda Satyagraha 1918. Ahmedabad Satyagraha 1918. Montague August Declaration 1917 and Rowlatt Act is 1918 and Jallianwala Bagh massacre is in 1918. Launch of non-cooperation and Khilafat movement. Okay, in 1920. In 19 to 1920. Appointment of Sadler Commission. Death of Tilak, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, 1st August 1920. And S.P. Sinha became first Indian governor. Indian governor of Bihar. First Indian governor of Bihar means KSP Sinha was the first Indian governor, but from where? From Bihar. Okay, this is the meaning of this line. And the launch of the non-cooperation movement and Khilafat movement in 1920, appointment of Sadler Commission, and death of Tilak on 1st August 1920, and SP Sinha was the first Indian governor who became the governor of Bihar. Okay. Viceroy. 15th Viceroy, Lord Reading. Lord Reading from 1921 to 26. Okay, 1921 to 26. What happened in his period is Chauri Chaura incident happened in 1922, and by this incident there was a withdrawal of non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay. Mopla rebellion. Mopla rebellion in Kerala is 1921. Kakori train robbery 1925. Kakori train robbery in 1925. Murder of Swami Shraddhanand. Swami Shraddhanand in 1926. Swaraj Party also established. Swaraj Party established by C.R. Das, Motilal Nehru. C.R. Das, Motilal Nehru in 1922. Okay. ICS exam now held both Delhi and London. Okay, from 1923. Okay. So Lord Reading was the 15th Viceroy of India from 1921 to 26. And Chauri Chaura incident happened in 1922. Okay, non-cooperation movement also happened in his time period and started by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so Mopla rebellion in Kerala in 1921, Kakuri train robbery in 1925, and murder of Swami Shraddhanand in 1926. Swaraj Party established by C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru in 1922. Okay, ICS exam now held both in Delhi and London from 1923, and here non-cooperation movement was repealed or ended by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay. So the 16th governor is Lord Irwin from 1926 to 31. 1926 to 31. Simon Commission came to India. Simon Commission came to India in 1928. All party conference happened. All party conference happened in Lucknow in 1928 only. Okay. And in this party conference there was a report which is known as Nehru report. Harcourt Butler, Indian State Commission. Harcourt Butler, Indian States Commission. 1927. Okay, murder of Sanders, bomb blast, in Assembly Hall of Delhi. Okay, in 1929. All things happened in 1929. Murder of Sanders and bomb blast in Assembly Hall in 1929. Lahore session of the Congress in 1929. And Poon Swaraj resolution also passed in this Lahore session. Purna Swaraj resolution. Dandi March from March 12 in 1930 started. Okay. Boycott of the first round conference. Boycott of first round table conference. Okay, first round conference in 1930. And you can see Gandhi-Irwin Pact. Gandhi-Irwin Pact, 1931. Gandhi-Irwin Pact, 1931. So, Lord Irwin, time period 1926 to 31. Simon Commission came to India in 1928. In his time period, All Party Conference happened in Lucknow in 1928, which report came out in All Party Conference is known as Nehru Report. Okay. Harcourt Butler, Indian State Commission, Butler Commission. You can also say Butler Commission, 1927. Okay. Butler Commission related to Indian states. Okay. Murder of Sanders in 1929. Bomb blast at Assembly Hall in Delhi, 1929, by Sardar Bhagat Singh and Bhupeshwar Dutt. Lahore session of the Congress in 1929, in which they demanded Poon Swaraj resolution passed. Dandi March, okay, started from March 12, 1930. Okay, boycott of first round conference, which held in 1930 in London. Gandhi-Irwin Pact happened in 1931. So 17th Viceroy is Lord Wellington from 1931 to 36. Okay. In his time period, second round conference happened. Okay, Wellington. Second round table conference happened in 1931. And civil disobedience movement ended. Communal Award, 1932. Fast unto death by Gandhiji in Yerwada prison. Okay. Broken after Pune Pact, 1932. So third round table conference in 1932. Launch of individual civil disobedience. Individual civil disobedience individual civil disobedience in 1933. Okay, the Government of India Act, the Government of India Act of 1935. Okay, All India Kisan Sabha, All India Kisan Sabha 1936 established. Congress Socialist Party, Congress Socialist Party by Acharya Narendra Dev and by Jayaprakash Narayan. Okay, in 1935. Burma, now it is known as Myanmar. Burma separated in 1935. Burma separated in 1935. So Lord Wellington time period 1931 to 1936. Okay, second round table conference happened in 1931. Civil disobedience movement ended. Communal award in his time period started. Fast unto death by Gandhiji in Yerwada prison is ended by Pune Pact in 1932. Okay. Third round table conference 1932. Individual civil disobedience in 1933. The Government of India Act in 1935. All India Kisan Sabha in 1936. Congress Socialist Party established by Acharya Narendra Dev and Jayaprakash Narayan in 1935. And last but not least, Burma separated from India in 1935. Okay. Lord Linlithgow. Lord Linlithgow in 1936 to 44. Okay. What happened in his time period is first general election. First general election happened in 1936-37. Okay, resignation of Congress ministry in 1939. Okay. Resignation of Subhash Chandra Bose. Resignation of Bose in 1938 from Congress. And formation of Forward Bloc in 1940, not 1939. In 1939, Lahore Resolution 1940 by Muslim League. August of 1940. Cripps Mission 1942. Quit India Resolution. Quit India Movement 1942. August Revolution 1942, or this it is also known as Revolt of 1942. Divide and quit Divide and quit. Divide and quit. Slogan. Slogan. At Karachi session by Muslim League. Karachi session by Muslim League. Okay. So Lord Linlithgow, from 1936 to 1944. First general election happened from 1936 to 37, or resignation of the Congress ministries in 1939. Okay, because of resignation of Bose from Congress in 1938. For then after he established Subhash Chandra Bose established Forward Bloc in 1939, and there were Lahore Resolution in 1940 by Muslim League, August of 1940 by the Lord Linlithgow. Okay, Cripps Mission in 1942, Quit India Movement 1942, August Revolution 1942, Revolt, all August Offer or Quit India Movement, all are same. This is Resolution Movement, also known as 1942, and August Revolution 1942, and Revolt, or it is also known as Revolt of 1942. And there was a divide and quit slogan by Muslim League in Karachi session. Okay. 13th governor, Viceroy, Lord Wavell. Lord Wavell, 1944 to 47. In his time period, what happened? Now we will learn about that. Okay. So Wavell Plan came, and Simla Conference happened. Okay. C. Rajagopala, Chari formula. C. Rajagopala Chari formula. C. Rajagopala Chari formula. 1944. Failure of Gandhi Jinnah talks. Failure of Gandhi Jinnah talks. Okay, failure of Gandhi Jinnah talks in 1944. Proposal of cabinet mission. Proposals of cabinet mission. 1946. Election to the Constituent Assembly. Election to the Constituent Assembly. Election to the Constituent Assembly in 1946 September. Okay. Announcement of end of British rule in India. End of British rule in India by Clement Attlee on 20 Feb 1947. Okay, and there is a direct action day. Direct action day by on August 16, 1948 by Muslim League. Okay. So Lord Wavell time period is 1944 to 1947. There is Wavell Plan in his time period. Simla Conference, C. Rajagopala Chari formula in 1944. Failure of Gandhi Jinnah talks in 1944. Proposal of cabinet mission in 1946. Election for the Constituent Assembly in September 1946. There was end of British rule in India announced by the Clement Attlee. He is the PM of England. Okay, and on date was 20 February 1947. Direct action plan 16 August 1948 by Muslim League announced. Okay. 20 and the last governor, Viceroy is Lord Mountbatten, 1947 to 48. Okay. So what was happening in his term is June 3rd plan. Okay, it's 3rd June 1947 announced. Okay, June 3rd plan code. Two boundary commission. There was announcement of two boundary commission under Sir Cyril Ratcliffe. Okay, and for the partition of Bengal, for partition of Bengal and Punjab. Okay, so this is the end of the Viceroys. This is the end of the Viceroys. And how is it? Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. If any doubt, please comment down in comment section. Thank you.